So if you want to see this look, stay tuned. So I'm starting with the NYX base in nude tones. I'm getting this Prissy Princess palette from MAC, and I'm using Sweet Tart. I'm going to put that one all over my transition area. Then I'm getting Color Me Spoiled, and I'm putting that under my eyebrows. Afterwards, I'm using Too Good to Be True, and that's going to go all over my eyelid. I also use a NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk to kind of give it a base. Then using Spoil Yourself, I'm going to smoke out the ends a little bit and do like a little soft cut crease over the silver one. And then smoke it out. Then I applied my cat eye. You know, that's a mission. Then I'm using this palette. This is a contouring palette. I'm using the middle color is a highlight, and I put that in the waterline. I mean, the tear duct. On my waterline is the Moi pencil in royal blue, and I'm just smearing that out. Then we're gonna put some lashes on. Ta-da! Lashes on. I also did my highlighting with the Jolie Contour palette. A little bit of mascara goes a long way. Then I am lip lining my lips with a nude pencil, and I am going to use the Fergie Daily nude lipstick. Hope you like it. See you next time.